youth? Yes. So what we are calling the judiciary this afternoon is that the judiciary must allow our votes to count. We want that the judiciary to be fair. We are not against anybody, but we want the judiciary to do the needful, that our votes will count. So we are calling on the judiciary that they should dispense justice without fear or favor. They should dispense their justice without any money bags. We want Nigeria to be free. That is all what we are calling for. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Let's divide our...
Muna duka malaka mu duka school makarantu mu a daji ba ma zuwa mun ayi hakuri Mahmudu ya yi hakuri ya fada.
To ask the judiciary to do the needful. What is the needful? To give us sound judgment at the end of the case.
Yes.
We don't want the president of Nigeria to poke nose in the judgment. Not be so? No. President Muhammadu Buhari has finished his tenure. Let him excuse Nigeria. Yes. It is the Nigeria's people's property. Yes. That is why we are here. We are here to tell the judiciary to help us save our democracy. Yes. Any altar of fake judgment given on this case will tear Nigeria apart. Yes. And we are begging the judiciary to do the right thing. Yes. Give us sound justice. Thank you for coming, and in the next court case, we shall surely be here. Okay, then please, so that Yusuf will wrap up.
Yeah, we thank you all for coming. We have made you understand that the judiciary is on trial.
Yes.
Because they are the last hope of the common people. Now they are on trial. Why are they on trial? Because in recent past, judiciary have been accused of giving wrong judgment. Therefore, they must be at this point in right standing. If they are in right standing, they will bring peace to Nigeria.
That's right.
They will bring unity to Nigeria, and unity will project progress. So we are telling the judiciary to please do the right thing. Thank you.
Okay, so finally I will emphasize what I have said earlier. At this time around, it's not about any party or any candidate. Yes. It is the Nigerian people that contested the election, and the Nigerian people won, and somebody wants to steal our mandate. Will we let that happen? No! That is why we are here, and we will not settle until our mandate is given.
Gentlemen! Yes! Gentlemen! Yes! Everybody here is a man.